as well. And as you guys can see, we have our first sale. Well, we just sold 3 of the t-shirts. So we've actually made a third sale right now. So 3 sales totaling $95.96. In this video, you're going to learn how you can make up to $350 a day using print on demand. This method is going to be completely free. You don't need a dime to do this method. It works all over the world in all countries, and you can get paid no matter where you are. Now, if you're already subscribed to the channel, you know the drill. Do what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to make money. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create an email to use for your business, because if you use your personal email, then it's going to get cluttered really quick, and you don't want that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to outlook.com and I'm going to create a new email. You can also use Gmail for this, but for this specific video, I'm going to use Outlook. All right, so if you also want to use Outlook, just follow what I do. Click create a free account. Okay, now let's just make something up. Branded shirts 101. Yeah, that seems to be available. All right, after you've chosen your email and you put your password in, all you have to do is do this puzzle here. All right, so that was very easy. The email is created. That's all you need to start your Printify business and also your Shopify business that we're going to be using Shopify to make the sales. So after you created your email, now you need to go to printify.com and register for an account, and that's what we're going to do right now. Now you want to go to printify.com and you want to click sign up at the top right corner of the website. But before you sign up, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you like the sound of making money online. I literally post free videos every single week here on the channel, just so you don't miss the future videos. Go ahead and click subscribe right now. And now that you've successfully joined the winning team on YouTube, let's get back to the video. Now, after you click sign up, you need to put in your email and password, the one that we just created right now, and then you click sign up. All right, I'm not a robot, sign up. Which describes me best? Other. I'm not going to do anything here, just click next. What is your main objective? Start my first online business. What would you like help with? I don't need help at the moment. How did you find out about Printify? For me, it's other. You guys can just put YouTube in and that's fine. So right now, just leave this as it is because it's asking what you want to do from now on the website, and we need to connect our store. So to connect our store, we first need to create it, right? Let's go back to Shopify. And I'm going to give you guys a link where you can go to get a 14-day free trial. You don't have to use that link. You can just go to shopify.com and click start a free trial. And then after you do that, just use the same email and same password to create your Shopify store. Okay, so I'm just starting. Next, you can just skip this if you want, like I'm gonna do right now. Skip that. A online store, skip that as well. Skip this as well. You want to set a store name for your store. I'm not going to teach you guys how you create a Shopify store because I have a full video for free here on YouTube, 40 minutes teaching you how you can build a Shopify store, a winning Shopify store. If you want to go ahead and watch that, just click the link down below in the description after you finish watching this video, because it's also very important. So after you watch this one, you can go and see how you can create a winning Shopify store. All right, so I chose the country United States. It's logging me in right now. Okay, so after you log in, you actually need to pick a plan, but you have your 14-day free trial, or in my case here, they gave me a long free trial, and they also do the next 3 months for $1 a month. As you guys can see here, they're not going to charge you anything right now. You can just click here, choose a plan, and then you can import your details. And as you guys can see here down on the bottom, $0 billed now. They're going to bill me on January 2023. So that's when my trial ends right now. So as you guys can see, you have a long time to figure it out. And if you don't want it, you can just cancel it before they charge you. Okay, so I went ahead and picked a plan. As you guys can see, it's as easy as that. I'm into the store right now. And what we have to do now is connect the Printify store with the Shopify store so you can start making sales. But before that, there's one little step that I have to teach you how you do it. But before, let's go and choose the app. Go into apps here in the left hand corner, and you're going to type in Printify, and then you're going to hit enter. It's going to search the Shopify app store for an app called Printify. Print on demand, this is the first one. Buy Printify, this is the app that you want to go for, the official app. Click on it, add app. All right, after you click add app, it's going to take you to this screen right here. You click install app right here on the right hand corner on the top. Just click on it. Okay, now it's asking us to log into our store on Printify. Remember the one that we just created in a few minutes ago? All right, we have to just log into it right here on the website. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, click I am not a robot, sign up. All right, now we have to choose create our first product. Okay, start designing. You want to click on this option right here. Start designing. Great. Now let's create your first product. For this design, we're going to do a t-shirt, which is pretty easy to do. We could do a t-shirt. We could do a phone case. We could do some pillows, whatever. I'm just going to do the t-shirt. I don't know why, but you know, let's do it. Okay, so now we're at the design process. How do we create this t-shirt? It must be very hard, right? Not exactly. I'm going to teach you how you can do this very, very simply using a tool that we cover here in the channel many times before, and I'm going to show you how you can use it once again. All right, let's go to canva.com. Hey guys, I just wanted to drop in here really quick and tell you about my new course, which is called Pro University. For you guys that want to make money online and you can't get off the ground, Pro University is going to offer you lots of ways that you can use to make money online. If you're interested in a course, it's only 49 bucks a month, which I can promise you that you're going to be able to make more money than you're going to be spending on it. If you actually follow the lectures inside the course, there's no doubt you will be able to build a profitable business online. If you're struggling to pay credit cards, if you're struggling to pay some bills right now, don't hesitate to check out the course. Inside the course, there's also a Discord group which you're going to have private access to, that I'm in there at least once every single day answering all the questions that you have personally. So that means when you get in the course, apart from all the video tutorials that you're going to be seeing, you're also going to have my help. And on the videos inside Pro University, I'm able to do something that I can't do here on YouTube, which is go in depth into all of these topics, explain every single topic that there is into building a profitable business. And I'm able to do that without having to worry about the YouTube algorithm promoting my video or not. So if you're interested, just click the link below in description. It's called Pro University. It's going to be there for you for 49 bucks a month. And you can even affiliate yourself to the program to be able to earn a 25% commission every time you make a sale. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. All right. So once you hit the Canva website, all you need to do is create a design, and we need to create a custom size of 3000 by 3000. Create a new design. Just click on it. It's going to open a new screen. Might take some time to load. Now we need to create a design for our t-shirt. For this case, I'm just going to use a apple, right? Let's do apples. So Canva is pretty straightforward. If you want to write something, you just click text here on the left corner. If you want to use an element is a picture, an image, a demonstration of something of some sort, you can just click here. So as we're doing apples, I'm just going to type in apple, and it's going to show me a lot of apples, right? And I'm going to drag and drop this one into my t-shirt. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to write something as well. So I'm going to choose something. All of this is for free. You don't have to pay to use it. Just to make this clear, Canva is completely free. You have the option to pay for it if you want, but you don't have to. All right. So to copy this, all you have to do is click on it, Control C, Control V, and it's copied and paste. So if you want to create more of the same text style, or if you want to duplicate this image, you can also right click, duplicate it, copy, whatever you want to do. It's pretty easy to do. So an apple a day. Now I came here to the elements again, and I chose doctor. So I'm going to get an image of the doctor. So now I centered everything, and voila, doesn't look the best, but it's enough to start making sales. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So all you have to do is get a little bit creative with whatever it is you're doing or designing, and that is it. It's ready. Let's just download the image and upload it to our t-shirt. You click share on the top right corner of the website, click download. After you've done that, you want to download again. Select PNG because that's a very high quality image. So I'm just going to download it in PNG. All right, that is it. It's downloaded to our computer right now. So I'm just going to open it for you guys to see. There it is. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, we have our design. So all you have to do is every time you want to create a new design for anything, a mug, a pillow, a t-shirt, a hoodie, anything you want to do, you can just come back to Canva, take 2 minutes out of your day and create a new design to start making new sales. All right, so that's as easy as it can get. Now we're going to go back to Printify. So when you're back at Printify, it's actually Shopify connected to Printify. Remember, we connected it through the app. You want to click new design, my device, and then you want to select the image that you just created, and it's going to upload it to the t-shirt. All right, so that is pretty well centered. It's not going to look as great as if I had taken more time to design it, because the white background and all that kind of stuff. So you guys get the point. You need to take a little bit more time just to design it, make it look a little bit better, but you shouldn't take more than 10 to 20 minutes to do this. And after you've done that, just click save product. Now you have your t-shirt. Now all you have to do to publish the t-shirt to Shopify is you need to click these 3 dots right here, and you want to click publish. Now it's publishing, as you guys can see. Okay, so now it's officially published into our store. We can just check the order in Shopify, see in store, and it's going to open a new tab. It's going to show you your actual store, how it's looking in the store. Well, it looks better than I thought, actually. It's not bad. So all you have to do now is set up your store. Like I said, I have a full video on teaching you how you can set up your store to make it look as appealing as possible, because making online sales is all about appearance and trust. And if people don't trust you, they won't buy from you. Okay, so after you've done with this, go check out the other one. Now you might be thinking, Reese, this is great and all, but how do I get people to come to my website and buy the t-shirt from me. How do I do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to change the price. And how this works is every single time that someone makes a purchase through your store, Printify is going to take a cut from that. So you don't have to spend any money up front, but every time you make a sale, Printify is going to take the fee that it charges for that t-shirt. So in this case right here, they have stock for it. It costs $14.31 to provide the t-shirt to you with the design that you chose, and the retail price, the price that you're going to be selling the t-shirt for, is at least $23.85. So your profit in this case is going to be $9.54. You could raise this if you wanted to, but I don't recommend raising it too high because you might scare off customers. So for something that you're getting a almost 4-month free trial, which is Shopify, something that you're getting it for free, which is a Printify store for free, the design, a $10 profit is pretty good. Now, a very important detail here that I don't see many YouTubers talking about here on YouTube when they teach about print on demand is how do you actually generate traffic to your store. And the way that I like to do that is to generate traffic through YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or some of the sort. I usually use TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and right now I've just posted it to my TikTok, which is a TikTok account that I use for e-commerce, and I also have a video all about how you can do this yourself. And basically all you have to do is post a short form content like a YouTube short, a TikTok, something of the sort, and you're going to generate traffic through that. Since they're very easy to go viral, I have a full video on how you can do that as well. And as you guys can see, we have our first sale right here. Well, we just sold 3 of the t-shirts. It's called Eat Apples Cute t-shirt, the one that I've just uploaded to the website. I've just made a sale of 3 of them instantly. So every single time that I want to generate traffic to an e-commerce or a course that I do or something of the sort, I just use short form content because they have huge organic reach. And if you want to do the same thing, I have a full video. I'll leave the 2 links to the video, how to set up your store and how to generate traffic for that. As you guys can see, during the video, I've already made a sale of 3 t-shirts totaling $71.97. So we've actually made the 3rd sale right now. So 3 sales totaling $95.96. As you can see, all I did is post it to YouTube Shorts. I can even preview the page right here. I can change it, online store. There's 1 session, 1 visitor in the store right now, right this second as we speak, and we've already made 2 orders. So this is really easy to sell. All you have to do is set it up correctly and you can start making sales right now as we speak. So if you want to go check the 2 videos that I mentioned out, I'm going to leave them right here right now in the screen. You can just pick whichever you want to watch first, the one to generate traffic or the one to create your store and set it up for success, just like I did right here. And if you want to learn more about this topic, just hit me up and I'll send you the link for my Pro University course, which is only $49, which you can learn to make thousands, as you can see right now. And I'll see you on the other video. Work hard, play harder.